Really, when you get down to it, the reason why we select events like this and with Millennium Alliance is the quality of the engagements, the speakers, the connections, and really those meetings, those intimate meetings that you have with critical folks who are trying to make their organizations more effective and more efficient. And it was just such a great 2 days for Holon, and we're really excited and looking forward to those follow-up meetings and really driving some of these opportunities into our sales pipeline.
So we can come here and we can meet close to 20 delegates with the dinners and all that. The return on investment is unbelievable because you just have to travel to one spot. We send 3 or 4 executives. We're here. We built a pipeline of close to $7.5 million last year just based on coming to Millennium 3 times.
When you come to a Millennium Alliance, what you get is intimacy and collaboration and real understanding and exchanges. It helps us understand what's most important to them and how we can be useful and helpful to their initiatives. And you're not going to get that in a trade show, but you will get that here.
The interactions we had were with individuals who really understood our solution particularly, and the quality of the discussions were really at a level that really gives me a lot of hope around how we can work together to continue to change the lives of so many that are suffering.
We go to a lot of conferences where we have to sponsor the event. We have to build a booth. We have to spend thousands of dollars on the booth itself. And then we hope that we can, and then we send emails out. We hope people come by the booth to talk to us. Here, there's 80 to 90 people that we know that are coming. We want to talk to them. They're going to talk to us, and we have one-on-one meetings, and then we get to grade the meetings afterwards, which is just absolutely invaluable. So we're a big proponent. We love Millennium. We've been doing it for almost 6 years now. We're going to continue to work with you. We've built a really strong pipeline just by being here over the years. I mean, you have to be dedicated to it. You just can't come once. You have to build relationships. We're in it for the long haul, and Millennium's been fantastic for us.
The ROI truly proves out because not only is it a critical connection and engagement at the event, but being able to bring that engagement all the way through into a true opportunity. So when we step back and we evaluate the ROI, yes, we want it to be a great event experience, but we really truly look at those opportunities and how they advance into pipeline. And so we have experienced so much momentum and traction, and we can't wait to go to another Millennium event.
You can fish a lot with normal outreaches, which we do, but you're only going to get so much, and it's catch as catch can. With something like this, the whole mechanism is created for connecting with the right parties, both sides, in a meaningful way. So the guesswork is so much less, and the hit rate is so much higher. This is a no-brainer for us.